Welcome to the channel with your friend Blessed Row. Southern cooking is the best, that's one thing we all know. Most comforting meals that everyone will love. Join Blessed Row, her cooking comes from the good heart. Recipes so good, you just might get hooked. Join now, Blessed Row Cooks.
Welcome to Blessed Row Cooks. Today, we are going to be making some delicious Korean fried chicken at home. Yes, I'm going to show you how to make Korean fried chicken at home. These chicken wings are so crispy and so delicious. Listen to this. Do you hear that amazing crunch? Today, I am going to be cooking chicken wings. I got my chicken wings. I washed them off. I plucked off the excess feathers that I saw. And then I took them and I put them in a salt water brine. I put them in the refrigerator and I left them refrigerated for about 5 hours. Then I removed them from the refrigerator. I poured that brine water off and I rinsed my chicken wings. And now I'm going to prepare them. I am going to be using my Korean fried chicken mix. I am not measuring this. I am going to pour my chicken mix in a bowl, and then I'm going to pour regular plain tap water in the bowl. I'm going to mix it until I get to my consistency that I desire, which is basically like the thickness of a pancake batter. This mix is pre-seasoned. It smells really good. You do not have to add any more seasonings. On the package, the mix says that it gives you an authentic Korean fried chicken taste. And this taste is really good. I really enjoyed. My family loved this chicken. It was so good and so crispy, so delicious, and so easy to make. So what I have here is some fried chicken mix for cooking authentic, delicious Korean taste. I ordered this from Amazon. You do not have to add any seasonings to this. This is a seasoned batter mix. It's ready to go. Just add water. I have my oil on the stove heating up, and now that I have finished mixing my batter, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my chicken in. After I added my chicken in the bowl, I'm going to make sure that it's covered with the batter. And now I'm going over to the stove to fry it. I'm going to be deep frying today. I have a link in the description box so that you can order you some of this delicious Korean fried chicken batter mix. I'm going to remove my chicken from the bowl. Scrape it on the side a little bit to get some of the excess batter off, and then just drop it in my oil. This is my first fry for the chicken wings. I fried them for around 5 minutes the first time, and I had like 3 batches of chicken wings to fry in this oil. So once I finished with all of the batches, that's when I went back in and did a second fry. This chicken smells so good frying, and look at that beautiful color. This is my beautiful first batch of chicken wings after the first fry. I have finished my first fry for all 3 batches of my chicken. Now I'm going in and I'm skimming some of this excess batter that is floating around out of the oil before I add the chicken back in. But look how good the oil still looks, y'all. You see that? But anyway, I put me a piece of aluminum foil over on the stove, and so I'm just taking this excess batter out. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken back in for my second fry. I'm going to cook the chicken for 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. This is how my chicken looks after my second fry. It looks good and crispy. I'm going to take it out and put another. I have another batch. I have a lot of chicken. I'll be back. All of the chicken is ready. Up next is the review.
Good old Korean fried chicken. Good. Let's see. Now that's crispy. You got a good little flavor too. It's a good mild seasoning. It's not like a regular home fried chicken. It's different. I can't describe it, you know. But it's a good mild seasoning to it, and it got a good flavor, good taste, and the crispness is awesome. I mean, it's not like a KFC crispy. It's like a totally different kind of crispy. It's almost like you breaking open a shell and chewing up or something. But it's a good, like flour shell. It's good taste.
It is
good consistency, you know. Good crunch.
Yeah, y'all should try it. It is really good. What you think, little Marvin?
Delicious.
If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos from Blessed Row Cooks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a blessed and beautiful day. And remember to put God first in everything that you do.
Turn on your TV screen. Turn on your phone. Turn on your laptop. We watching Blessed Row Show. Cook is what she like to do. Stay here if you like it too. Turn up your cell phone. We watching Blessed Row Show. Hey, what you watching?